friends, welcome to the .NET office. Today we are going to learn about what is SUM and SUMX in Power BI. In the previous tutorial we have seen about the calculated function in Power BI, and calculated function is the most useful and most important function that is generally used in Power BI DAX tutorial. So let's understand what is SUM and SUMX in Power BI. So basically, if we need a calculation on the row by row basis, then we go for the SUMX, or similar to that, if we want average on the row by row basis, then we select the average x function, because these function allow us to do the calculation on the row by row basis. For an example, suppose we have a data and where we want to calculate the total sales amount, then the expression will be like SUMX is the function name, and at the first parameter it will take the data. So we have the data name called financial, and then it take the expression, and the expression is like financial means the multiplication between the sales and the quantity. So that will be the expression, or we can say the query to get the total sales amount with the Power BI DAX. So as per the definition, SUMX is basically do the calculation on the row by row basis. And in other way, if we need a total sales quantity, or we can say total sales amount, then basically here what we are doing the calculation a column basis, not in the row by row basis. So if we need a calculation on the column basis, then we use the SUM function. That SUM function basically take the quantity, or the basically the field or the column name where we want to do the calculation. So SUMX is do the calculation on the row by row basis, and SUM function do the calculation on the column basis. So let's understand how it do the calculation basically. So here for an understanding purpose, in the Excel I have taken this one demo. Here we have some column called country, product, quantity and sales price, and for the every country, and for every country the product, this is the price. And here what we are looking something like we need a total sales price as per the quantity according to the country. So what actually we are looking like total sales price. We are looking total sales price as per quantity, country quantity. Now here if I will take what I will take instead of the row by row basis, if I will do the calculation on the column basis, then see what is the calculation basically. So equal to, here I am writing total quantity, and here I am taking total sales price, here equal to SUM and I am taking the total quantity, and here I am taking equal to sum of this price column. So here if I will take this, so the total sales price is the 152 and total quantity is 14, and now I want the total as per our requirement, we want total sales price as per the country quantity. Now if I will do the multiplication of these two, this one multiplication with this, then total amount is what we are getting 200128. So if we are doing the calculation on the column basis, then we are getting this one. Now the actual calculation we will do, what is our requirement? Our requirement we need a total sales price as per the country quantity. So for this Canada country, we have this product, and the quantity of this product is 1, and the sales price for that is the 20. So what will be the calculation is this multiply with this. So this is the total sales price, and if I will do the calculation for this one, and here if I will take the sum of this like column value, and if I will take the total, so basically here the total sales price is 331 and here the total sales price is we are getting, so we can see there are huge amount of the changes here. So this is the correct way of doing, like as per the requirement we can't use like and the column basis calculation, because this calculation is correct with the row by row basis. So basically in the Power BI calculation, if we do on the row by row basis, then we use the SUMX function, and if we do the calculation on the column basis, then we use the sum function. So let's understand it. So this is our like sheet which we are working here. Now here what I will do, I will take I will create a one measure column here. So we have seen like how to create a measure column and the calculation column in the previous tutorial. If you don't have any idea, I recommend you please watch previous tutorial where we have understand the difference between the measure column and the calculation column. So let's create a one measure column, and once I'll create the measure column, here I will give like total sales price, and here like as we are doing the column by like row by row basis, then what function we use the SUMX function. And once I select the SUMX function, we can see it is expecting a table, basically a data and the expression, and the table which we are having financial 2, then comma, and it's looking for the expression. And what expression we are giving for financial sales, or like what we are looking the sales price basically. So let's select the sales price first, multiply with the like financial of quantity. So based on the quantity we are calculating the total sales price. So once I select this one, we can see it created one measure column here. Now if I will take a one table here, and in the table if I will select the like if I will take month name, quantity, sales price and total sales price. So this column I have selected. So we can see like on the row by row basis it is calculating all the data. Now if I want to change the value or like style, we can change from here, like we can increase the size of all this. So from here we can see, and we are looking like on the row by row basis it is calculating the data. So this is the way actually to calculate the total sales price. Now like this is doing the calculation on the row by row basis, and we can see the calculation basically here like total sales price, SUMX, and then it take the first the table name. So we have the table name means the sheet name, basically whatever we are having, and then it take the expression. So what we are doing, we are multiplying between the quantity and the sales price. Now calculate the total quantity. So what we are looking next, we are looking for the total quantity. So let's calculate this, like how we do that in our like in Power BI desktop application. So go to in the modeling, new measure, and here I am calculating like total quantity, and here for that what we will use, we use the sum function, and inside that what it take the column name only, and from here we can select the quantity. So once we select that and hit enter, what it will do, it will create one measure column here, and we can see like this is the total quantity. And if I will take this total quantity into this table basically, so if I will take this total quantity here, so we can see like the total quantity it is showing like this. And if I will take into this card, we can take this value into the card also, and we can select the total quantity, and like let's select this total quantity, and we can see the total quantity is 4038. So this is the way of doing the calculation over the like whatever what we are looking like if we want to do the calculation on the row by row basis, then we use the SUMX function, and if we do the calculation over the like column, then we use this total quantity. And that is the only difference between like this sum and SUMX function in Power BI. So if you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.